Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Music and Tech. This is Kevin. We are still in New York City, which is also called the Big Apple. And that term actually was popularized by a New York Morning Telegraph sports writer, John J. Fitzgerald, during the 1920s. And according to his column, he wrote that the New York City horse racing circuit was the Big Apples of competitive racing in the United States. So you can see on my right, you will see NBC Studios, which is located in the historic 30 Rockefeller Plaza, which is the most recognizable buildings of this Rockefeller Center. So the NBC Studios is the headquarters of its parent NBC Universal and NBC's flagship station WNBC, as well as cable news channel MSNBC. Yeah, there's the building. So when you say Rockefeller Center, actually it's a complex of 19 commercial buildings covering 22 acres of land between 48th Street and 51st Street. So I have a wrong notion before that if you see the building on my right, this is the Rockefeller Center. So after further research, no, it's actually composed of so many other buildings. But if you would go here in New York City, these are the most famous buildings, I would say, among those buildings that are located in the Rockefeller Center. The name Rockefeller is actually coming from a very famous, I would find that he's the wealthiest American of all time, John Davison Rockefeller Sr., born on July 8, 1839 and May 23, 1937. He's an American business magnate and a philanthropist. So yeah, if you are rich, you should give back to society, and that is what he did. So aside from being rich, he gives a lot of his wealth to advance so many things that would improve the life of people. So this is the most famous building. So one of the businesses that he's put up is the Standard Oil Company in 1870. He helped regarding education, medicine, higher education, and modernizing the southern United States. I think this is the location where they put up the Christmas tree. So in December we will be back in New York to see the Christmas tree here at the Rockefeller Center. So I'll pause my video. If you like this video, please click like, and then if you want to see my other videos, please do subscribe. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day and goodbye.